Unlock radiant hair and skin with our multivitamin. Tired of juggling multiple products for wellness, hair, and skin? Meet our all-in-one multivitamin, designed not just for daily health, but to supercharge your beauty routine. It's time to nourish your body from the inside out for visible, transformative results. Featuring Lustriva, this multivitamin revolutionizes hair care. Clinically shown to increase hair thickness in women within just 3 weeks, it delivers rapid, tangible results. But that's not all. Lustriva also reduces facial wrinkles and fine lines while improving skin texture, unlocking a youthful glow like never before. Packed with vitamin C, B complex, and vitamin D3, this formula supports your overall health while targeting hair and skin. These nutrients work together to strengthen hair, rejuvenate skin, and provide the energy you need to conquer your day, all from a single capsule. Ready to elevate your wellness journey? Transform your hair, skin, and confidence with our science-backed multivitamin. Don't wait to look and feel your best. Order today and start your 3-week journey to thicker hair, smoother skin, and unstoppable radiance.